Our greatest evidence for the power of teamwork exists in nature. Fish swim in one school in pursuit of a common goal. Trees grow in tandem to build a mighty forest. Every element, big or small, plays a role in sustaining the world as we know it. Just like our ecological counterparts, together, we can spur a transformation. One that can change lives, build communities, and power our very world. That is the path to progress. When we collaborate, our impact accelerates. And when we become one, we're greater than the sum of our parts. For us, the drive to do more is found in this togetherness. It motivates us to spearhead new technologies that improve not just how we work, but how we live. To think, plan, and act in ways that put our society's collective well-being first. To prioritise continual improvement as we strive for better. And we do it all for and with those who harness the potential of our Earth and put it in the palms of millions of hands, which is why it's important to us to stand with them. Because this way, there are no limits to the evolution we can engineer or the future we can create. We are Molycop, and side by side with the people who power our every move, we advance into the future and towards innovation that knows no constraints. Molycop, towards progress, together.